Good morning, marketing people. This is the Prospector. Today we are going over one of our free sample emails. That's right. We provide email lead generation templates. Now, so what? Well, a lot of businesses don't have, a starting point. Or if you are a business and you're wanting to see what other business or type of content that people are selling, that's what we're providing, that type of information. You hear that? It's my pups back there. They're being annoying. Don't worry. We'll get to the good stuff here in a second. I'm going to minimize my big head. Now it's little bitty. So, this particular template, subject line is, are you leading with the digital marketing strategy? Now, it gets a little interesting from here whenever you start reading the content. But this particular email is actually geared towards targeting and focusing with, or essentially selling staffing services to any type of business. So, subject line, are you leading with the digital marketing strategy? Hey, John Prospect, digital marketing continues to evolve. Staying informed on the latest marketing technologies can be a full-time job in of itself. It's easy to get stuck in a rut and not evolve with the times. We're all guilty of it. Business name, Virtuals offers virtual CMO or fractional CMO services to its retainer clients. We keep you on the strategic digital marketing pathway to your goals. Are you missing direction or clarity with your digital marketing efforts? We can help. So, excuse me. There's one aspect to this email that I want to talk about, and that is merge tags, and that's going to give you the ability to scale. But the one thing that this email template does well is, obviously, depending on what, if you're a staffing service company, you want to kind of cater and modify the template that best fits whatever it is that you're selling. So this template could actually be used to sell other C-level services or individual type services, whether it's a creative or it's an admin or anything like that. You're establishing the problem, and the problem up front is businesses have a hard time staying with marketing and evolving with that marketing. So what this template is trying to do is establish that problem and then give a solution, what they're providing, virtual CMO or fractional CMO. Now, they're obviously selling a higher tiered type service. The email is short and simple to the point, but what's great about this, and that's one thing that we haven't touched base yet, is the ability to use merge tags. Customizing that content within a particular email is going to go a long way. It's going to help make that email feel a little bit more personal and provide you, even with tracking purposes, the ability to understand where things are coming from. You can obviously send out a blanket email to everybody, but having that slight little customization, understanding if you have that business name information in there, that person's name, that you're just not saying hi, comma. If I see that and I open an email and I see that, boop, delete. I'm not even going to spend time reading it. It's not even worth it. You're not going to take the time to have that information. It's just not worth my time. So, using merge tags is great. Whenever you're going out and finding those different types of, or you're purchasing data and information or prospecting by buying leads and then filtering through those leads to see if they're worthwhile, merging that content within your email is actually a fairly simple process, and you can go about it with just about any email platform. MailChimp, Klaviyo, those are all more B2C specific type than really prospecting type platforms. A lot of these templates here are being sent just as text-based. There's not a lot of imagery to it. They don't want to get busy going on with logos or whatever. It's just kind of a simple message from one person to another, and that's what they're trying to illustrate. Now, the one thing I would say this email is sort of missing is that it's not providing a CTA. Reach out. Click this link. Find more information here. Call me. So and so and so. Now, it just may be the beginning of a series of emails that's going out, and it is just kind of establishing that first tier funnel, and that you're sort of like planting that seed, and then you're following up and providing more information, trying to get your prospect to engage with you. And that's something that we can talk about later in another morning coffee. But if you like this, Please head on over to the prospector.io. We're providing these templates if you want to look at this template yourself or see other samples or previous morning coffees that we've done. It's all on our website, theprospector.io. Or if you like YouTube, we're on YouTube, we're on the Rumble, we're on the Twitter. Haven't figured that out yet. Things have gone kind of crazy over there. Facebook, everything. We want you to succeed. Marketing is our passion. Good luck prospecting. Oh, and have a great weekend. It's Friday.